We've got our eye on Amulus today. The company which makes automated test equipment recently announced its latest financial results. CGS CIMB Research is keeping its ad call on the stock with a higher target price of RM1.50, up from RM1.24 previously. The counter last closed at RM1.12. According to CGS CIMB, Amulus's fourth quarter core net profit stood at RM4.8 million, a new record, as sequentially stronger sales from Malaysia and China boosted revenue. Meanwhile, full-year core earnings amounted to RM10.7 million against a RM3.8 million core net loss in FY20. That's 7% above CGS CIMB's full-year forecast due to better-than-expected margins and stronger associates' contributions. The research house lowered its FY22 to 23 earnings per share forecasts by 0.1% to 4.5% to reflect a gradual margin expansion. This is given higher contributions from the China market with a relatively lower margin. From what it gathers from management, Amulus's order book remains healthy, hovering at between RM40 million and RM50 million as of Monday. This is mainly driven by its 7300 and 7600 testers going into the mobile and tablet segment, especially in China. CGS CIMB also expects higher shipment volumes for 5600 testers going into the CMOS image sensor segment, following new contract wins in the third quarter. The research house projects Amulus delivering a 43% core net profit CAGR in FY21 to 24. So what's the consensus? According to Bloomberg data, only CGS CIMB covers the stock. So that's one buy, target price RM1.50, a potential gain of 34% from Amulus's last closing price of RM1.12.